welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of Diamond Virgin Pink Label hair. I use their hair, like that's pretty much the only company that I use. Usually I get the mink virgin hair, but this time around I had to buckle down and really use my pennies wisely, so I decided to go with the pink label, and this will actually be my first time trying the pink label. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. And this is their packaging. I love their packaging. I love their boxes. And I have two bundles here. This is going to be 116 and 118. So this is the 16. Let's see what's on it. So this is going to be the 16. And you can see how far that goes. It's pretty long to be just a 16. And also pretty full. I always love hair from them, but I never got the pink label so far. I can't really tell a difference. There's no shedding. Well, I got a few strands here. With my mink hair, I can't even get like one string out of those, so still feels super uber soft. And I wouldn't even count these little 1-2 pieces of hair because I really was giving a little tug on it. Let me put these back. Okay, this is going to be my 18-inch. And same way, same feel. My hands go right through it. So easy, go right through it. And nothing. And these are the pink label bundles. This is what they call their lower quality bundles. So that lets you know just how good their mink really is. I love their mink hair. Absolutely love their mink hair. It lasts forever. It'll last however long you want it to last. For these, my 16 inch was only $60, and my 18 inch, was only $80. So I paid a total of $140, and then I paid $13 for shipping. So that'll be a total of $153. So what I'm gonna do is tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow is my 21st birthday, and I'll be getting my hair installed and also be getting my makeup done. So I'll probably include that in this video just so you guys can see how it came out and how it looks on me and all that stuff. I'm going to have to dye my hair in off black to match it. I could dye this hair, I just don't really feel like it. On my second go round, because I use my hair over and over and over again, so on my second go round, I'll definitely dye the hair, and then I'll be back to show you guys how that held up. I'll definitely be here to show you guys how long it actually holds, because I use my hair over and over and over and over again, and I don't like to buy hair that I can't do that with, because I spend hundreds of dollars on hair. Hey guys, it is Sunday, the day after my birthday, and I didn't even get to record yesterday whenever I got my hair done, but my cousin did it. Her name is Elanda. Check her out. I'll put her Instagram information on here because she's really good at what she does. And I love my hair. Like, I love my hair. I'm gonna record whenever I get out so y'all can see like how much it just is like it's just wonderful. It's so soft and it smells good because I rinsed it and I put a deep conditioner on it. I put the jojoba conditioner, deep conditioner on there, and I let it sit on there for like 25 minutes, and then I rinsed it with like some cool water. So yeah, that's that. Right now I'm at Louise, and I would flip the camera, but my car is kind of dirty. And I just wanted to show y'all exactly how it's looking and how it's doing. I kept it in this all black or off black color, sorry, and then I put a rinse on my hair to make it match. So I didn't bleach it this time, but I am gonna bleach it sooner than later. It doesn't have like any tangling or nothing. And I just love how full it is with just 2 bundles. This is the Body Wave 16 and 18 once again in the Diamond Virgin pink label. And this hair does hold curl very well. Whenever I first got it done, I put a couple curls in there and they last pretty much all day. So this hair does pretty well with that. But the weather here where I live has been kind of crazy lately, so it didn't stay. This is pretty much the natural curl. And then I have my flat iron warming up so I can show y'all how it straightens, because it straightens really pretty and it gets bone straight. So I wanted to show y'all that. And then I wanted to talk to you guys about my channel, because I decided I was going to make this hair review video my first video. So about my channel, I want to do more hair reviews. Even though I'm loyal to pretty much one company, I'm going to go ahead and explore the different companies that are in my city, because there are several young ladies in my city that sell hair. And since we're from the same place, I figured why not give them some publicity by doing them a video or review or whatever I can do for them. So there's that. And then that'll also help me if I love their hair. I'll have somebody in my city who I can go get hair from on hand. So there's that. And then I also have a 1-year-old son who I want to talk about, because I do a lot of parenting on my own. And that can be very challenging at times. And I know young women sometimes, either if you're pregnant and getting ready to have a kid, or if you already have one and you're wondering, how am I going to do this? How am I going to be successful? I'm still figuring it out, but I can help you guys. We can figure it out together. So that's one thing. Another thing is, as a young woman, I feel that we often get distracted by emotions, and we let things cloud our mind. So it's very important to me that I stay on track with what's important to me, like as far as education, my career, making sure that I'm learning something new every day. I'm putting a new skill under my belt as much as I can. That is something that's very important to me. So I would like to talk to you guys about that, different ways that you can make money, different ways that you can be successful. Find out what it is that makes you happy, how you can be successful and doing what makes you happy. Things like that. So I'm very excited to start my channel, and I'm going to show you how this hair straightens now. Let me go get a comb. I'll be right back. Okay. So I'm going to do this section right here in the front. super straight. Super straight. Pretty. So I'll definitely be wearing this hair straight, girlfriend. It just looks so pretty. Oh my god, I just want to straighten my whole head. But I won't. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to. Like, I just had to run it through there just a couple times. Because really, like, how can you even? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? How can you deal?